Are you trying to land clients on Upwork in 2025 but keep hitting the wall? Most freelancers are doing the exact same thing. Sending dozens of proposals, tweaking their profile, wasting Canucks, and getting nowhere. But there is a secret strategy almost no one is talking about, and it helped me earn over $1 million on Upwork. This isn't a theory, this is what actually works. Let's break it down so you can start winning today. Step 1, the real starting point. Finding your superpower. Many freelancers have multiple skills, which means there is a lot that you can do on Upwork. But the real question is, what works for you? What's going to make you stand out? What's going to keep you going when things get tough? Your superpower. And no, I'm not talking about some mystical concept. Your superpower on Upwork is the exact mix of what makes you happy, what makes you naturally great at, and the best way to leverage your strength on the platform. Let's break it down. First, what makes you happy? This part is deeply personal, and only you can define it. What kind of work makes you jump out of bed excited in the morning? If you're not truly happy doing it, then it's going to feel like a grind no matter how much it pays. Second, your natural talents. Now, this is where most people struggle. You may not even know your hidden talents. Here's a task. Ask the people closest to you, family, friends, and even past colleagues. What do you think I'm naturally good at? What talent do I have that's unique and exceptional? You may be pleasantly surprised by their answers. For me, people told me I was a great storyteller. At first, I didn't think much of it. But over time, I realized it meant I was great at turning abstract ideas into engaging, animated content. Being able to simplify complex messages with motion and visual became my edge. I've always had a strong sense of timing and keeping a captivated audience, how a scene flows, how ideas unfold into concepts, and how to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. This skill was cultivated by natural talent and practice. Creating video animation was a perfect fit for me. I knew animation was a time-consuming skill, but the market was good and I was hungry to learn. Third, your highest value skill on Upwork. Once you've narrowed what makes you happy and where you are naturally talented, validate it on Upwork. Start browsing job categories and ask yourself, are clients regularly posting jobs in this space? Do these jobs match your strength? And are clients paying premium rates in this niche? You want to overlap between what you love, what you're good at, and what is in high demand. Let me give you an example from my own journey. When I first started freelancing, I was offering everything. Explainer videos, logos, animation, whiteboard sketches, social media clips, basically whatever someone was willing to pay me. But I wasn't happy and I was all over the place. Eventually, I honed in on one specific niche: animated videos for SaaS product launches. This matched my natural talent and made me feel energized. Plus, there was a real client demand. That focus allowed me to scale, raise my rates, and build a full-time freelance business on Upwork. So here's your first step. Number 1, define your superpower by understanding what makes you happy. Number 2, ask people about your natural talents. And number 3, match those skills with the right kind of Upwork demand. That is the foundation of everything else that comes next. Step 2, Upwork profile creation and optimization. Once you have clarity on your niche, you're ready to create your Upwork profile. But don't just fill it out. Your profile is a sales page. Your profile should clearly say, I solve this type of problem for this specific type of client. Want to see how I do this step by step? Check my pinned video at the top right corner corner and you will see the full breakdown. Step number 3, proposals that get replies in 2025. Most freelancers are burning Connect and getting 0 replies because they write the same boring intro. Hi, I saw your job post. No. You need to lead with clarity, confidence, and client-focused messaging. My 3-part proposal formula is simple. 1. Address the exact pain they mention in the job post. 2. Show proof. Mention a similar client result or share a short, relevant sample. 3. Invite them to the next step, a quick Zoom meeting, a free idea, or quick demo. Want to see my full proposal writing strategy? Check my pinned video at the top right corner. I will walk you through this in detail. Step number 4, the secret that built my $1 million Upwork business. Freelancers who stay general struggle, but when you niche down with confidence and speak to a specific client with a specific solution, you become the only logical choice. I went from chasing low-paying jobs to attracting $5,000 contracts from my clients who literally said, "You're exactly who we've been looking for." That's the power of clarity, and you can start building this today. If you are new to Upwork or stuck and unsure what to do next, here are 2 ways I can help. 1. Join my private Facebook group. I have monthly live streams and can answer your questions. I also drop exclusive trainings every week. 2. Book a one-on-one consultation with me. I'll personally walk you through your niche, profile, or proposal strategy. Both links are down in the description. If this video has helped you, then please like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What niche are you thinking of to target on Upwork? And most importantly, drop your questions under this video. I will answer everyone personally. Let's build your Upwork business the smart way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Be freelantastic.